So today we're going to take a look at how fast your hard drive is, or how you can benchmark your hard drive in Linux. And today we're using a version of Ubuntu, and we're just going to go down to our start menu. This is going to be a GUI application that we're going to use. I'm just going to use disks. This is the GNOME disk utility. It'll typically come installed on versions that use like GNOME, so like this version of Ubuntu that I'm using. I'd imagine standard Ubuntu and some others come with this software, but that's the software we're using here. And once we're in here, we just want to select our drive. So I just want to select this small SSD that I have. And once we're here, we just want to click Drive Options, which is these three dots on the top part, and we simply just click on that. And we can click Benchmark Disk. And once we're in here, we can click Start a Benchmark. And we can also put in how much data we want to do. So we're just going to do a quick test, which we'll leave it as it is with 100 samples. And we're just going to click Start Benchmarking. You're going to type in your password, and as you can see here, we see our benchmarking going across the top now. And you can see that the average read rate of this hard drive is about 263.7 megabytes per second. And we can also do a write test. I won't be able to do this one at the moment due to recording this video, but you can do a perform write test, and you can also increase the size and decrease the test that you want to do. So that's how you benchmark your hard drive in Linux. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.